What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here at Jones Park today and I've got the latest from Latitude 64, zero gravity. What is the zero gravity line? Well, the zero gravity line is an easy to use lineup of discs. We've got the Fuse, Explorer, Saint, and Pure. I think the Pure could be a lot of fun to throw around. Obviously, if it's windy, none of these discs are probably going to be really easy to throw or use. That being said, I'm out here at Jones Park. I'm just going to play a loop, few holes, throw every disc on it. Oh, by the way, they float in the water. Well, they're supposed to float in the water. We're gonna find out if they actually float in the water here soon. But we're just gonna get out here. We're gonna play just a handful of holes and see how these things fly. Let's get right at it. Zero Gravity Explorer. Okay, I threw that at probably 50% power. That was insane. Explorer, birdie. Go Saint here, 397. Whew, I don't know how to throw this one. Probably with a lot of hyzer and not a lot of power. With a whole lot of hyzer and that thing is flipping way over, hit the tree. Okay. Whew, almost found out if they floated early. Yeah, I made it. That's so crazy. So understable. Pure. Wow, the Pure is very stable. Who would have thought a 120 gram Pure would be the most stable? That thing just lifts so easy. Pure could be fun. Pure could be fun. Saint. This time, you know what? Let's go like 50% power with a lot of hyzer. See what happens. So at 50% power with a lot of hyzer, it still flipped the flat and held over, which kind of tells me that it's going to be great for those lower arm speeds, beginners, kids, etc. Kind of like what the disc is geared for. Explorer has a little bit more beef. Ooh, maybe not anymore. Fuse. Explorer, 397. Thing has a lot of glide. That was probably 56. That was probably 60% power. These discs are supposed to float. Let's see if they do. I don't think I can get across with this one, so I'm just gonna try to throw it in the water. Weird, I know. Oh, that's in the water for sure. All right, let's go see if she floats. Yep, they float. Zero gravity line is really geared for players that can only throw around 50 meters, which is relevant to 164-ish feet for my American friends. So if you are that person or you know that person, these are gonna be what you need to get for them. pretty good for that Explorer, guys. It's It's pretty good. It's still floating. They do float. Pure. I don't know, guys. That pure is pretty pure. And pure, guys, pure's legit. Gravity, zero gravity, pure. All right, guys, so you can pick up the zero gravity line from dynamicdiscs.com or your favorite retailer on May 2nd. For me personally, I think they are gonna be fantastic for the kids, beginners, just until you can get that technique down. I mean, I truly believe that the kids are gonna be the ones that are gonna be able to take advantage of this lightweight plastic and get some maximum distance and then work up to similar molds and heavier weights and so on throughout their careers. So shout out to Latitude 64 for producing the easy to use line and getting these in zero gravity plastic from 120 gram up to 130-ish grams. They're all super light, kind of the baseline plastic, so they will beat in a little faster than you probably want, but at this price point, you really can't beat that. So pick them up May 2nd at dynamicdiscs.com or your favorite retailer. All right, guys, we've got the 10K giveaway to talk about. Taco's been out of town. I've been out of town. I've been doing a lot of traveling with ESU and the disc golf team. Taco's been traveling to events, running events. I believe he's in Nashville right now. I don't even remember the last time I saw Taco in person. That's why you haven't seen a lot of videos coming out. But that being said, he'll be back here in about a week and we will be getting to this giveaway. What I want you to do is comment down below what disc you think should be in zero gravity. That's it. What disc would you like to see in 128 to 130-ish grams? And we will pick a couple of winners on the next video. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one. Update. Still floating, which is pretty cool, actually, that they do, in fact, float. Take advantage of that, guys.